And back with some more photos. That's Sean, and that's his brother. There is my cousin at her prom. I think this is like 96. She's the other lesbian in the family. It's me with my sister. Look, she's got Ace of Base cassette tape. Nice. It looks like it's the Sign single. Is my Mama and Papa. It's my mom. It's mom and dad. But it's a very old and worn photo. It's a reprint, obviously, but the original photo was very old and worn. But there's my mama there. Oh, smoking a cigarette. It's Mama and Papa. With cousin, my sister, and then cousin. Here is a Christmas photo. It'll never be like this again. I mean, it hadn't been like this for a while, but our family Christmases like this stopped in 2019 was our last one. Because 2020, you know, of course, there was the COVID, and then last Christmas we also did not get together. That is another Christmas. And that is me with my Incubus t-shirt that I got. And I was wearing my The Used shirt. Do you guys know who The Used is? This cracks me up. This cracks me up. I did not know I was getting a Casper cake. And I was loving it. Very, very happy with the Casper cake. That is... looks like probably that Christmas morning or something. I'm not about it. I'm just like, I'm too tired for this. That's my mom and dad's ashtray back there, though, because they were indoor smokers. Wow, that tastes... This is my great-grandparents, Willie and Maudie Collins, and yeah. That is me. Don't know where we're going. Don't know why I look so annoyed, but I am. This is Fuzzball. He was the cat I remember through the biggest majority of my childhood was this guy, Fuzzball. He was kind of a jerk. Didn't like his tummy pet. I know lots of cats who like their tummy pets. Bonnie, are you good over there? Hi, baby. Oh, you got eye boogies. Goodness. Pretty girl. Anyway. This is my great-grandmother in her casket. It's kind of morbid, right? Wasn't the best lady. I really don't remember her, of course, because I was one. Old man and woman that I knew that lived down the road. Their names were Edith and Edward, and they had a collie. His name was Charlie. And me and Charlie played together all the time. And I guess there was a cat, too. I don't really remember the cat, but I remember Charlie. There's me. That's the lady who was mean to me. That was my best friend, Mary. And that's her brother, David. And then LJ and the other David, Matthew, Valerie. I don't know that baby. I don't know that chick back there, that girl back there, and I don't know that kid. So here's more photos from whenever we went to, Cherokee, North Carolina, May 1692. Yeah, because it's just like, it's a moment in time at my mama's house, you know, just how it all used to look. And her dinner table, that was such a big, special place for all of us. And she knew that. And she was happy to make it that. My mama was awesome. When my mom went to Chicago, it was her, the husband and wife, their doctors that she worked for, their kids, and then one of their other employees, and then the lady behind my mom is that lady's mom. My mom and that woman was really good friends. They worked together at their practice. But yeah, that's when they went to Chicago. Sea Dog, August 7th, 2004. I think this is my great. No, maybe just great. I don't know. Tom and Martha, I think it was their name. Yeah. Tom and Martha Owens. That's another picture of my mammal. There was a creek back there. I loved going over there to the creek and just dipping my little toesies in it. It's my nephew's birthday with his horrible SpongeBob cake. There's me. And then there's my aunt. She married my uncle, which is my dad's brother. And she's from Italy. She actually lived there till she was 9 and lived in an orphanage with nuns who were actually not very nice. And yeah, she moved over here. Her aunt that already lived over here got her and her sisters out of the orphanage and adopted them, brought them here to Georgia. And none of them knew English whenever they got here. But now, I don't even know. I know she doesn't remember any Italian anymore, which is kind of sad. But, you know, she just didn't use it anymore. You know, she came over here when she was 9, and that language just kind of fell away from her. But, yep. She was my favorite aunt. She still is my favorite aunt. But where COVID hit, she's been really sick, and she's got a low immune system, so don't really get to see her. Here's my goats, JJ and Boomer. Their parents, Billy and Nanny. Billy's the daddy, and Nanny's the mommy. Here's my mom.